Form 2 Buddhism, First Midterm, Chapter 3. Let us develop Metta, loving kindness. Learning outcomes. Here you will learn about the benefits of developing Metta or loving kindness, and learn the 15 qualities that one should possess when developing Metta according to Karaniya Metta Sutta. Learn the steps to practice and gradually develop loving kindness. The society we live in is so different. We meet different kinds of people. Some are good, some are bad. And when we walk along the streets, to the markets, shopping centers, when we travel in buses, we meet all kinds of people who are so different in their attitudes. For the slightest thing, they become irritable, they use bad and harsh language. Sometimes try to assault people for a very minor reason where they disagree, or they try to quarrel with each other for a small offense committed. They don't believe in discussion or coming into agreement. This is because people do not tolerate anybody or any other's idea. Sometimes they keep in mind certain faults or disagreement and take revenge on that person. This is because they cannot tolerate other people's ideas, so they become aggressive. There is no kindness left except with a few people. The people harbor hatred in their minds. Buddhism does not allow such type of behaviors. Hatred does not cease by hatred. Hatred ceases only by love. So it's very clear, hatred does not cease from hatred, but it ceases only by love. So we have to develop loving kindness to all the living beings. We as Buddhists should develop loving kindness or metta to all living beings. Now let's see how to develop metta, to spread the loving kindness or metta to other living beings. The Buddha has preached 11 advantages of developing loving kindness or metta. They are as follows: healthy sleep, gets up happily, no bad dreams, becomes affectionate to human beings, becomes affectionate to non-human beings, gods and devas protect you, no harm would come to you from fire, poison, arms, etc. Decision making can be done easily. The color of face brightens, attains death in good senses. After the death, if does not attain Nibbana, he goes to the world of Brahmas. These are the advantages of practicing the loving kindness. When meditating to develop metta, Karaniya Metta Sutta is very important. I will recite a short story. When the Buddha was residing at Jetavana, 500 bhikkhus who wished to meditate took their kamatahan, kamatahan means topic for meditation, and set off to a wood close by in the Himalaya mountain. They went to a close by village in search of their meals. After some time, these bhikkhus who were meditating found themselves getting tired, ugly looking, pale in color, thin in body stature. They all knew this change but never discussed this with each other. But one day, a bhikkhu questioned from another bhikkhu as to why these changes happened to them. A bhikkhu answered that while meditating, he sees frightful things. It was the same with others too. Some had even heard dreadful noises, felt dirty smells. They all decided that the wood was not the proper place to carry out meditation. They decided to go back to meet the Buddha and explain the situation. The Buddha explained to them that there are certain deities whose abodes are the trees. So when the bhikkhus sit on the ground below at the foot of the tree and meditate, the deities find it difficult to stay on the trees above the bhikkhus. The tree deities had decided to chase those bhikkhus out of the wood. The Buddha then advised the bhikkhus to meditate by spreading metta, loving kindness, to the tree deities and requested them to chant the Karaniya Metta Sutra. All the bhikkhus went back and developed metta to the tree deities and also chanted Karaniya Metta Sutra. Finally, the bhikkhus attained arahathood. Those who need to spread metta by chanting Karaniya Metta Sutra should possess these 15 qualities. I think that you all know about Karaniya Metta Sutra and you are chanting it while worshipping, and there are 15 qualities that one should possess to spread loving kindness according to Karaniya Metta Sutra. They are as follows. Sakko, efficient and competent. Uju, honest. Sujucha, very honest and upright. Suvacho, pleasant and polite in speech. Mudu, gentle in his ways. Anatimani, modest and non-arrogant. Santussako, contented and satisfied. Subharo, easily supportable. Appakicho, not be involved. Sallaukavutthi, light in his lifestyle. Santindriyo, should keep his sense faculties calmed and tranquilized. Nipako, be wise. Appagabbo, not too bold and daring. Kulesu ananugiddo, should not be over-attached to household, not desire great possessions even for his family. Nachakuddan samachare kinchiyena vinyupare upavadeyum. He should not commit any slight wrong so that other wise men might find fault in him. It means, නැනවත් අය යම් කරුණක් හේතු කොටගෙන දෝෂාරෝපණය කරද්ද ඒ සුළු හෝ කිසිවක නොයෙදෙන්න. එය නොකරන්න. Should not commit any slight wrong such that other wise men might censure him. නුවණැති අය දොස් පවසන වැඩිහිටියන් එපා කියන පොඩි වරදක් කිසි දින කරන්න එපා දුවේ තුතේ. While developing metta, first we start from ourselves, and according to Karaniya Metta Sutra, it says their status how to spread loving kindness to all living beings, to different kinds of living beings. According to the sutra, express loving kindness to all the living beings. The kinds of living beings are as follows. Those beings living in fear and craving. The Arahants who have risen above fear and craving. Beings with long bodies. Beings with fat bodies. Beings with moderate bodies. Beings who are short. Beings who are small in bodies. Beings who have large bodies. Beings who are visible by the naked eye. Beings that are invisible. Beings who live far away. Beings who live nearby. Beings who are born. Beings who are to be born. Beings whether weak or strong, omitting none, high, middle or low realms of existence, small, great, visible or invisible, near or far away, born or to be born, may all beings be happy and at ease. This is how the Karaniya Metta Sutra expresses the way how to spread loving kindness to all the living beings. Thus, We should think of all these factors when developing metta. May everybody be blessed with good things in life. Thus, this method of developing metta should be developed gradually. Develop metta in one stage and go on to the other stages, spreading metta to all living beings. This method would take much time, but it's worth the time spent. At least 2 weeks should be set aside to develop one stage of metta. These are the steps how to develop metta gradually, step by step. First, we have to spread loving kindness or metta to our own self. First 2 weeks, may I be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I be free of suffering, healthy and well to myself. First spread the loving kindness to myself, to your own. You can recite these 3 times. For the second 2 weeks, you can spread loving kindness to you and to your parents. May I and my parents be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I and my parents be free of suffering, healthy and well. Third 2 weeks, may I, my parents and teachers be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I, my parents and teachers be free of suffering, healthy and well. For 2 weeks, may I, my parents, teachers, brothers and sisters be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I, my parents, teachers, brothers and sisters be free of suffering, healthy and well. Fifth 2 weeks, may I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters and relatives be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters and relatives be free of suffering, healthy and well. Sixth 2 weeks, may I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, relatives and indifferent persons be free from suffering, healthy and well. May I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, relatives and indifferent persons be free of suffering, healthy and well. 7 2 weeks, may I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, relatives, indifferent persons and enemies be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, relatives, indifferent persons and enemies be free of suffering, healthy and well. 8 2 weeks, may I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, relatives, indifferent persons, enemies and all living beings be free of suffering, healthy and well. May I, my parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, relatives, indifferent persons, enemies and all living beings be free of suffering, healthy and well. Like this, you can practice to spread loving kindness or metta, starting from yourself and spreading it to your loving ones and all the other living beings which you know and even your enemies, for animals, for all the living beings, we can spread loving kindness. I will tell it shortly. May I be peaceful. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be free from suffering. May all beings be peaceful. May all beings be happy. May all beings be well. May all beings be safe. May all beings free from suffering. Now it's clear how we can spread loving kindness, starting from ourselves, then to our family members, our relatives, our friends, our animals, and all the living beings. Metta meditation cultivates loving kindness toward yourself, a good friend, a neutral person, a difficult person, all sentient beings. Every morning and before we go to bed, we can do it as a meditation or as a prayer. Metta prayer. May all beings be peaceful. May all beings be happy. May all beings be safe. May all beings awaken to the light of their true nature. May all beings be free. Then the noble nature will give us the power to awaken our lives. Let us develop metta like this. Like a mother who watches over and protects her only child, so with a boundless kindness should one cherish all living beings, spreading friendliness all over the world, above, below, and all round cultivate boundless good will towards the entire world, free from ill will or enmity. Standing or walking, sitting or lying down or at home, let him cultivate or establish mindfulness of goodwill, which is called the highest state of nirvana, this birth or next birth, and will not be born again in this world. Karaniya Metta Sutta should be chanted by everyone. The meaning of the sutta should be remembered always, and if one develops metta, you will never have enemies. All beings would be friendly and you would look very calm and enlightened. Vitva sausat samakal niduki patva sepatat ruduk velaki yetva samagiva nivanata muniki මෙත්භාවනනම් වැඩිපින් කමෙකි. The poem from Loweda Sangarava. The meaning is, may all beings at all times be free from suffering. May they be immune from disease and be at ease, in amity and concord. May they attain Nibbana, proclaimed by the Buddha. Such meditation on metta is of greater merit. This is the summary of the lesson. Metta means loving kindness. We should spread loving kindness to all the living beings, starting from our own self, then to our family members, friends, and all the other living beings. We can spread the loving kindness. A person who spreads loving kindness to all living beings will get more advantages in this life and even after death. We discussed about those things. And Karaniyametta Sutra explains about the qualities that a person should possess who develop loving kindness. We discussed about 15 qualities. And we can spend some time to develop metta to all living beings, and it would be a precious time in our life. We can spread loving kindness while standing, sitting, lying down, or at home. On any posture, we can spread loving kindness to all the living beings. Kindness is a form of love and a way love forms. Kindness is a way to change the world for the better and a way to better ourselves for the world. Kindness is a potential path to happiness and a happy way for us to potentially find our paths. Let's spread loving kindness and goodwill. Loving kindness increases positive emotions and decreases negative emotions. Questions. What would you derive by developing metta? Write few of them. Write some of the qualities that one should possess to develop metta through the Karaniyametta Sutta. Write a short essay on the topic of "Let's create a lovely world with loving kindness." Thank you. May the Noble Triple Gem bless you all.